Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Hey, ask you.
Remember this former IWA, we have Billy Ubu, Alfred Porto, Bobby no part of it. Remember against 87 Saturday, Planero, Mama, the 200 Master, quickly taking that the pass by the captain on the side. That man started to try the body. Third ball. Number 17, goes to the center, find it now, play the ball, centrally, down with the shotguns, it is free kick over there to the AS International, brought in the owner, quickly checking, John Charlie, and left it back corners, it is to the owner, and now, over there to Ocean, winning position on the outside through number 2, Paulo, and through tackling centrally, and now the action that they're taking the space, bring the ball in post, try to come again, number 2, let's see, the other now, the owner, makes it on the outside now, out punches, up on the Victor Melo, and we want to show you one possession. Take the ball, 5 to 11 Tracy, but with some Tracy, the other man on the side to be the captain of the side for you. There's the ball goes into the team. Playing quickly to the end. And now, our ball goes responsible for another Tracy. Quickly taking ball, trying to put the other for the captain of the AS International. the trouble is unbelievable. The last. Here's the ball to the right side. Ball's looking number 9, Jason for the national line. Here's the 11 once again.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.